Good morning and Assalamualaikum students, fellows. Hope you fine and I hope you are waiting the next lecture. Past perfect continue tense. Yes. Now we start to the difference between use of for or use of since. So let's see the use of since or use of for. And here is some example of the use of since or for. So just 4 o'clock, lunchtime, July 1999, Idul Fitr, 28 May, and Monday and morning. Okay, and now for 2 hours, long time, a week, 20 minutes, 6 months, years, 5 years, and ages. And here is a question, and here is only a question that why we always used to 4 o'clock, not always to use of 4 o'clock. We always to mention to other time. There's 5 o'clock, 12 o'clock, okay, and evening time. So lunch time is that fixed time, just like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. So we used to since for a fixed time or a point time. Okay, and July, if we know to July only since for July, not since जो है हम एवरी मंथ नेमिंग मंथ्स के साथ जो मेंशन है उनके साथ हम सिंस लगाएंगे जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल टू दिसंबर. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट 1999. Yes, here is mentioned to a century of 90 to 99. So we used to use yes since. Okay, and any other century just like 2005. Okay, because it's mentioned to a time point. Where is mentioned to a time point, always we used to since there. जहाँ पे टाइम पॉइंट जो है वो मेंशन होगा वहाँ हम सिंस यूज करते हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट ईद उल फित्र ऑलवेज टू अकॉर्डिंग टू इस्लामिक कैलेंडर. सो इट्स मेंशन टू नेमिंग ईद उल फित्र. एंड द नेक्स्ट मंथ्स नेम मई. सो वी डिस्कस and lighting the before it. Yes, and Monday. Yes, here is mentioned to no to 2 weeks, 5 weeks, 2 days, and 3 days. Here is mentioned the name of a week. Here is mentioned to a name of week. जहाँ पे हफ्ते के दिनों के नेमिंग के साथ जो है वो मेंशन होंगे वहाँ पे हम since use करेंगे. Okay, and here is the use of morning. Always just like to morning mention just evening, afternoon, today night we use to since. Okay, जहाँ पे ये फिक्स टाइम जो है फिक्स पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जो है वो मेंशन होगा वहाँ पे हम सिंस यूज करते हैं. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट द यूज ऑफ फॉर 2 hours which not to mention to time. ओके, टाइम पॉइंट जो है यहाँ पे कोई मेंशन नहीं है 2 hours, only 2 hours. So it's a not, we can't judgment which hours. So इधर कोई मेंशन नहीं है कौन से 2 hours. Okay, and the next long time, which not to mention to time point, only time period long time. And the next are we not mention to naming week of days, so we use to for. And here is the 20 minutes, 30 minutes, so here is not to mention to a time point, just like to 5 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Okay, yes. And the next 6 months, 6 months we use to for months, because not mention to months name. And the next is or 5 years, so we used to always use for years. When the not mentioned to century or a time point. जब टाइम पॉइंट जो है वो मेंशन नहीं होगा, टाइम पीरियड होगा, जस्ट 5 years, बिकॉज 5 years, विच 5 years, कौन से 5 years, कौन से हो सकते हैं ये 5 years जो हैं. अब ये जो है एक सवाल है यहाँ पे, अब कंफ्यूजन क्वेश्चन. सो वी यूज टू ओनली for a that's like sentences or a ages. So just try to 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. Okay, I hope you will understand. And here is some example for you. The use of a since or for. Just कल रात से बारिश हो रही थी. कल रात से बारिश हो रही थी. It had been raining, is ing, for yesterday night. It had been raining for yesterday night. And I think here is your question that why we used to for to yesterday night, because it's some mention to कल रात से बारिश हो रही थी. यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन होगा कि कल रात से बारिश हो रही थी, तो ये यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक टाइम जो है बताया गया है, ये आपको ऐसा फील होगा. बट कल रात से yesterday, इट्स नॉट टू शो टू yesterday. ये yesterday जो है ये previous yesterday भी जो है वो मे भी हो सकता है. So we always use to yesterday, we use for yesterday night. Okay, and the next बच्चा शाम से सो रहा था. द चाइल्ड हैड बीन स्लीपिंग सिंस इवनिंग. Okay, the child had been sleeping. Evening.